Okay, I got this new product. It's called Big Eye Black Eyeliner. And it lasts so long. And it's so easy to make your wing or just your little outer part. You see the tip? It makes it so easy. Okay, so I am going to go over this. Just a little to give a lift. Now, if you can't do any kind of a wing, you do a shadow wing, just with a little eyeshadow. And you just smudge it and bring it up. And it gives your eye a lift. So you don't have to do it with the pencil. You could take a narrow brush and just smudge it a little bit. And it doesn't have to be with black. It can be with brown or burgundy. Looks really nice with that. So I'm going to line the bottom, but so close to the lashes. So I'm doing the waterline, but not the whole waterline. I'm just doing as little as I possibly can to the waterline, just right by the lashes. Any closer in, and it will close my eye up. This is a good way to do it, ladies. You want to get a smoky, sultry eye. And then the top, I'm just going to go a little bit by the lashes. I'm going to do this with a sponge tip brush, and it's just I'm just going to do a smudge around. Now I'm going to do it just a little darker. And then you just bring it up, and then you angle it. You go like this, and then like that. You can do it with a brush like this. You could go angle this way, and then angle that. Was very precise. Go up, and then in like a V. And then just blend it. See? Just go, and you tilt your head down so you can see how far the skin is going to hang down. Okay. You gotta laugh. Oh, you gotta laugh. I mean, every time I go to the doctor, it's something new. I couldn't bend my thumb. Every time I bent it, it came out of the socket. So I put up with that for a few weeks, and then I went to the bone orthopedic, the hand doctor, and he said I had a trigger thumb. That cracked me up. While my creams are marinating, I do my eyes. That's why I did my eyes already. Give my face a chance to marinate. There's no baking on this face, only marinating. Do you marinate? Are you marinating yet? Okay. As soon as that marinates a little bit, then I'm going to put on my ITCC Luminous 50 in medium, and then I'm going to put on my Wet n Wild Dewy. I'm going to do my eyelashes, and then we're going to do eyebrows after the foundation's on. I'm going to show you how that unbelievable brow works. So let's do the lashes and the foundation, and then I will talk you through my brows. I'm always scared I forgot to turn the button on, the record button, but it's on. See, and then you could go, you could lift your eyes by lifting the shadow. Foundation, and then I'll be back with the brows. Always do the ears. And just a little of the neck. Just a little of the neck. Now I'm going to blot my brows, and I'm going to powder them with the It's CC Your Skin But Better SPF 50 powder. So it has, because I just wiped old sunscreen off. Because it's just, does anyone else have this problem? It's just too oily to do eyebrows. But I don't see anybody else doing that. And I want to know, why do some women put their concealer on before their foundation? It changes the color of the foundation. I don't get it. I don't get it. This is the Harmony. Belle de Tint Harmony. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So I'll just go around the whole thing. I have to fix that. Now if I want more brown, just go this side. But you see the brush I'm using? This is another IT brush. It's the IT Cosmetics CC Double Airbrush Ball Powder. That's what that is. And at first I said, oh, I can't use this. But this is so great because it's so fine up here. I have some stickers on my nails, if you're saying, what the heck is on her nails? What the heck? Okay, so let's give this a little more. This is how we contour. Now I don't have to make the two brown lines. I'm going to just take a little selfie powder. Big difference. Look at the difference. Okay? It just gives you a veil of blur. Same tried and true products. Now I just make the white line in the middle. And we just do this, side of the nose. Isn't that great? Kylie's makeup artist. Oh, I love that. I said, yes, that's right. Proof. Receipts. Tati Beauty. It really is great to do concealer with. And so are those. So is this dupe. I'll put a link below for this too. This is a great one too. Because you go like that. Okay. Oh, let's put some lips on. Alright, we got Amazonian. This is a liner. One thing that's great about these is that they're a little transparent when you put another color on it. And these are all I wear under my mask. Nothing comes off on the mask. My lips stay on all day if I've had the mask on and and off, on and off, on and off. Maybelline Super Stay Matte Inks. So this is Amazonian. I got the sweetest email today from Terry Bush. And she said how she's tried every mask, QVC, the store, this and that, and the masks I sent her were the only ones that can help her family tolerate wearing them. She's just so sweet. And I've got a lot of messages from you like that. Now, I put this over the Amazonian. See, I'm trying to get a nude lip. One that has definition, one that shows my lips, and one that's going to last all day. I do like that eyeliner better than the roll-on eyeliner. Then I'm going to put the, of course, my Lancome. I should wait till it dries a little. Let me wait till it dries. Okay. What are we up to? What are we up to? Ugh, my nails look horrible. Hope you can't see that. Let's try the brow. The unbelievable brow, okay? So this, you just put it right on the skin where the hair is. And where the hair isn't. But you see, it doesn't grab too much where the hair isn't. It grabs more where the hair is. Let's see, let's put a little more. Okay. Just willy-nilly, put it on. So, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take an eyebrow pencil, and this is the one I have. I showed you this in the last video. This is Universal. It's called Universal Definer pencil. It lasts forever. It's like that long. It's like $17, but you have to get it once a year. Just once a year. It's every shade you want. It's light, it's dark, it goes to your skin. It was made for cancer patients without hair, so they could put it on and have a good result. Alright, I am going to go lower, because you know, we usually need more than one product, don't we? When it comes to brows, we need a tamer, or we need a pencil and a pomade. I mean, I don't mind using 2 products, 3 products, as long as when I leave the house, I don't have to worry about my brows. They are worrisome for me. Oh, they're my nemesis. This is like Marilyn Monroe's eyebrow. Her makeup artist went up to a little triangle here. You know, all the celebrities have their style. Liz Taylor had her style. My mom used to always wear her makeup like Liz Taylor or Marilyn Monroe. I love that generation. It's a gel. It's supposed to last 48 hours, and it is a gel. A long-lasting gel. Now, of course, I'm doing it with blonde, so I know I'm having blonde pencils. That blonde doesn't always show up right away on your skin because it's too light for me. So then I usually use a light brown. But see, these looks very natural. Let me tell you, I am experimenting with it. I don't know if you need less product or the product amount that I'm using, or if it's good to brush them, or if it's, you know, I'm experimenting. I'm finding all this out as I'm practicing. This has been the first week that I've tried this. So, let's see if I'm done. Oh, and then I want to spray. Okay, I'll just use this Glam Glow. Oh, Mary Ellen says don't fan it. Oh, you could fan this, but don't fan your serums, because your serums you don't want to evaporate. You want them to go in your skin. I listen to you, Mary Ellen. Okay. Let me just show you this before we say goodbye. This company, they sent me these when the quarantine started. I haven't even opened them because I want to show you them just the way they are. And this is by Open Formula. Open Formula. Okay? This is squalene. I love squalene. Rosehip oil. I love rosehip oil. And they did let me pick what products I wanted. Oh, I can't wait. This is vitamin C serum. Ooh. And then this is multi-peptide eye cream. Ah, nice. I bet I could put it right on my makeup. Ooh. If you ever want to put on eye cream over your makeup, feel free. I do it all the time. Doesn't ruin your makeup. That is perfect. And then I cannot wait to use the squalene and the rosehip oil and the vitamin C. This is what I'm going to be using from now on. SPF 55 Broad Spectrum Mixed UV Filter Sunscreen. 55! Wow. This is a really good company, and they're not expensive either. Check them out below. I'm going to put their link down, and I'll put prices down below for these products, and you will be pleasantly surprised. This is the reason why I did tell them to send it to me. I thought they were very fair and worth looking into. That was just so kind of them, and I'm going to ask them if they would send me another set for my viewers. Okay, I don't know.
Guess what? They did. They said we could pick out 3 products and I could have a giveaway. So this is going to be a giveaway. Let me know if you want to be entered. Leave me a comment below. I will not be able to respond to your comments, but I will be reading every single one a few times, and I'll give you a heart and a thumbs up. So know that I will see it, and I will enter you in it, and if you win, then I'll let you pick out 3 products that you want from Open Formula, and they will send it out to you. Good luck.
Okay. All right, this is it. I'm not taking my turban off. I'm just ending it right here. Let's try to think positive. Let's have hope. Let's not lose faith. Let's be nice to our neighbors, nice to our friends, nice to our family. Be loving to everyone. Be courteous. Be respectful. Teach your kids respect, respect, respect. You can't go wrong. So join me in praying for the world. Remember, I'm praying for you. See you in my next video. Love you.